Afternoon, Zimbabwe. This is more precision Mzazi. I just came out from the Constitutional Court judgment in my case where we are challenging the appointment of judges by the president has been reserved. The environment was hostile, I don't want to lie to you, but let's see whether we still have some independence in the judiciary. So wait to see, because judgment has been reserved in this case. Also argument is that as long as judges are appointed by the president, there is no judiciary independence in Zimbabwe. So let's see what the outcome from the Constitutional Court. But we really feel and we know, this is our conviction, that as long as the president appoints the Chief Justice, the Judge President, and now with the coming amendments, amendment number 3, where they're trying to remove the interview process, we won't have courts anymore. The courts will cease to be courts, they will just become ZANU-PF disciplinary committees. So we are really facing a challenge in Zimbabwe, where you are just continuing to pray and hope that we'll get something out of it. Thank you.
I'm about to cry now. Prophets and pastors like for cash cars from Wicknell. We have fake socialite and us slicky musicians, you just praise her. Preacher, try more. Walter Magaya and you Pastor Yan. Poverty makes us brainless, calling Luther's boss and praising corrupt military. Why do journalists fear? Big up Opel and blessed salute out and Soul TV. What happened to General Solomon, Air Marshal Terence Sherry, Minister SB Moyo? Where is Walter Muzembe? Don't forget more blessing Ali. This government mama is corrupt and bloodthirsty. No to clueless government, sex for Mr. Appointments. No to gold mafia. Even you, Prophet Angel, you a criminal. We have a mafia government in Zimbabwe. We have no rights in Zimbabwe, because the police and them soldiers corruption.
Yeah, now Inzwai much.
Thanks so much for the coverage, brother.
No basaraj to get the same.
Nautenda jaisu. Maona mashote video ndakutumira.
Ma video ndamaona ma video.
Okay.
Is
there...
Hello?
Hello?
Ma'am Chidi.
Actually, is there anything else that you need to know?
I don't know what the process, how was it? Jafamba say, because my video, I'm going to gaga 2 minutes and I'm just about this information.
Okay. Kucourt kwa kuna majudges na justice garwe. I think wacho nda kutumirai. Those 3 judges don't go to preside over the case. Saka kwa kuna lawyer wa chief wa attorney general, wa speaker of parliament and the president, and the other lawyers also representing the Judicial Service Commission. Saka atanga kwa chiti argument ngere kuti why are you ngirikini challenging amendment kwa 9 years ago? Where were you kwa amendment kuti my judges are going to win the president? And I was saying I was out of the country. And it also could why ma unza nyaya yacho direct to Constitutional Court. Sasa chiti nyaya yakakosha bozi iri kuinvolve the appointment ya Chief Justice, a Deputy Chief Justice na Judge President. Yakakosha pakuti as President wachapointa senior judges of the superior courts. Bafuta amendment number 2, the President can just promote my judges at any time. Plus the bill require process ya interview rukubviswa chose, it has become very critical. Saka Constitutional Court doing power review chinja tomuchi ubumbiro remtemo constitution. Saka vamgoa maloya anga tino amendment yakatoitwa, saka nyaya yako ya too late afana kunzikwa sensa language yekuti nzisina umuti kuti it's a case what under the bridge. Saka sachaga no hapana what bridge because this is an illegal yakadi yakasumagirwa mubumbiro remtemo. Saka those are shit like saka kwakuri hotel, I don't want like saka tongosuka pa kuti isusu kana nyaya isina kunzikwa mu Concord totongomira kuti we normal elections then tozongobvisa oma amendments acho yes but azatata svitana ipapo.
Alright.
Because the issue independence at the atomboto very much, because as long as the president tisa majudges tiri kuti macourts asisiri macourts atoo maZANU-PF disciplinary committee. Saka ndo nyaya yacho payaperera ipapo. Saka vaita break inobva rize majudges.
Alright. Saka vachazokontinua rini kana kuti zvichazofamba sei?
Ndo patisingazivanisa paplatform yanonzi ICMS ndo patinopuwa manotification.
Alright. And then the other question, pane one of the people akandisira message, I think ndinakuiforwarda kwamuri kunzi, why are you challenging bill number 1 yet tatoku bill number 3 futi? Are you not concerned about 2030, the amendment iri kuitwa bill number 3?
Mukatarisa nyaya dzese dzatiri kufaila izvozvidzi handisi ziri kuenda kumakoti. Saka amendment number 3 kutaura zvekuti pakutobviswa ma-interview process, whereas judiciary chakwati chanenge tichida kuchallenge kwakatokepchiwa. Saka zvese zvatiri zviita zvinongobondera mujudiciary iyoyo. Judiciary ndio inotori nepower kuchi amendment number 3. Saka how do you stop it through judiciary iyo majudges acho akatokepchiwa? Tarisai kuti muna May panapa the chief justice ari kusiya basa, ndimuri kuzviona. Achisiya basa amendment number 3 ndio pairi kupasa. Ichweni inototi maseka complete wipe out to independence to watosara twacho twese. Saka tika challenge amendment number 1 zvakaitwa ma-amendment number 2 nenumber 3 zvinoda kutoudzwa zvatofa zvese zvinechekubata nejudiciary zvinobva zvatotwa wiped out. Saka tiri kuti text yanga iripo muna 2013 ngaidzoserwe zvainge iri patakavhota papa. Judiciary mapowers yanga iri independent muna 2013 ngazvidzoserwe back. Saka ezvino zvese kana zvikufailiwa kana vana madhuku kana vana as long tichienda kukoti iyo isiri independent hapana zvatiri kuita tingonobondera. Because munoenda sei kukoti iri kukontrolwa nana president.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Makes sense tiri kuwaste time. Tosaka maona paya vana tsvangira vedu would go to ZANU-PF court to challenge ZANU-PF hazvina musoro. Chamisa ndo one of the reasons ndakarega kuchallenge ZANU-PF na 2023. Ndo feeling the background with the public confidence. The public, as long as president achieved appointment, it is zero. No one has got confidence. No one has got. Yeah.
All right. Saka chichakamhonyasoitika, some of us by then tasata politics zvekudaro. Vakashandisa sei to change kana bill number 1? Vakaita ma steps api kuti vazotirapasa?
Yanga iri time yana vaMugabe ndo vakanga varipo. Mukatarisa patakata 2013 Mugabe vakarasikirwa nemapowers avaimbove nawe kuappointa majudges. Saka just 3 years tabva muna 2013 vakatanga process yekuda kuita regain those powers, but current president vanga ari mupresidium izvo. Saka it was just smuggled in. Harina kupuwa awareness yatawana paamendment number 3. Zvakangoitwa pasi nobva ratopasiswa kuparliament iko.
All right.
Because no one was aware. Mukatasana kana enda singatori kuti bill rakadaro takatoita kutoverenga kuti zvakaitika izvo. Kana amendment number 2 vanhu vazhinji havatoizivi kuti chii chayakaita, because amendment number 2 yakachinja zvinhu zvizhinji. Yakatanga kutotaura kuti president anongopromota judge of a law court at any time. Vanhu vazhinji havatozvizivi izvo. How is the judiciary capture? That through the amendments here 1, 2. Saka zvopata svika panumber 3 podotsa ese interview. Havachisina shame because they have already been massacring the constitution already.
Okay, now it's making sense now.
Saka ndo zvazvichiitika izvozvo. Payakaitwa amendment hainabopuwa publicity hatizivi, vanhu vazhinji havatozivi. I think 95% yeZimbabwe haitozivi kuti zvakaitika paconstitution. Constitution yaingopaswa takatorara kupapo. Saka hapana kumira ball, vana veZimbabwe vanofanira kutoshinga in all ways vomoti makosa mukustreet diplomatic pressure. But pakutova kuti tive strategic tisangoti chipupu totoziva kana iri diplomatic pressure tichitonanga papi. Because madhaini zvachari kufamba, these guys are abnormal. They are maniacs, power maniacs, vanotoda power by all cost. Saka ndizvozvo my brother tausingiri.
Aiwa, Ndotenda, thank you very much for the information.
Thank you so much for the coverage, my brother.
Okay, bye.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.